Thank you everyone for joining. Manifest of soaring competence, glow of vibrating personalities, larger than dreams, it is the craziness that is rife. It is the creation of life. It is the festival of life. Namaste and a very warm and gracious morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, Aditi Mattu, Assistant Professor from Department of IT, NIET Greater Noida, heartily welcome one and all in the inaugural ceremony of the 5-day Faculty Development Program on Blockchain Technology and Applications from 4 to 8 January 2021, sponsored by AICTE under Antal scheme. I am privileged to welcome esteemed guests, distinguished speakers, directors, all head of departments, faculty members, participants, and attendees to this virtual meetup. I especially welcome chief guest for the event, Professor America Singh, Vice Chancellor, Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur. Welcome and thanks for your precious time with us, sir. I also welcome guest of honor for the event, Dr. Bhanu Pratap Singh, Vice Chancellor, Maharishi University of Information Technology, Lucknow, UP. Thanks, sir, for your gracious time with us. Since the world is changing around us and we need to adapt to survive with the new normal trends, this faculty development program on blockchain technology and applications is aimed at providing in-depth knowledge of blockchain technology to the industry professionals, faculty members from AICTE approved technical institutions, working in diverse fields of engineering, along with cryptographic primitives that can reshape e-governance, healthcare, smart IoT applications with respect to security, privacy, efficiency, transparency, and fault resistances. Moving ahead, I would like to express my gratitude to our pillars of support, Chief Patrons, Professor Anil D. Sahasrabuddin, Chairman, AICTE, Dr. Sarojini Agarwal, Chairperson, NIET Greater Noida, Dr. O.P. Agarwal, MD, NIET Greater Noida, along with patrons, Professor Vinay Pathak, Vice Chancellor, AKTU Lucknow, Dr. Neema Agarwal, AMD, NIET Greater Noida, Shri Raman Batra, EVP, NIET Greater Noida, Shri Praveen Soneja, Director General, NIET. I would also like to take a moment to honor the mentors, Professor Vinod M. Kapse, Director, NIET, Professor Praveen Pachori, Director, Projects and Planning, NIET. Our program coordinator, Dr. Kumud Saxena, Associate Professor and Head IT NIET, along with the co-coordinator and organizing committee members. Welcome all. Now, I would like to invite Professor Vinod M. Kapse, Director NIET, whose philosophy of leadership is to motivate the faculty and students to adopt the technological changes. Sir, I request you to kindly address the guest of the event.
Namaskar, sir. Good morning to all. Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. America Singh, Vice Chancellor, Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur. Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Guest of Honor of today's function, Dr. Bhanu Pratap Singh, Vice Chancellor, NUIT, Lucknow. Respected Shri Raman Batra, Sir, Executive Vice President, NIET Greater Noida. Dr. Neha Sharma, Founder Secretary, Society for Data Science. Shri Praveen Soneja ji, Director General, NIET Greater Noida. Dr. Kumud Saxena, HOD IT, Director, Deans, HODs, guests, faculty members, participants. On behalf of NIET, I am honored to welcome the chief guest of today's function, Honorable Dr. America Singh. We are really thankful to you, sir, for taking your valuable time and gracing the occasion. Your word of wisdom will be a great motivation for all of us. I am honored to welcome guest of honor of today's function, Honorable Dr. Bhanu Pratap Singh, for sparing your valuable time and accepting our invitation. Definitely will be enlightened with your thoughts. It's my pleasure to welcome Shri Raman Batra ji for your presence. I am happy to welcome Director General Shri Praveen Soneja ji. It's my pleasure to welcome Dr. Neha Sharma, speaker for first session. I'm happy to welcome all the guests, directors, deans, head of the departments, faculty members, and participants. Talking about the NIET Greater Noida is the first private institute of UP with autonomous status, one of the premier engineering, pharmacy, and management institute of India, and BTech program in CSE mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, IT, biotechnology, and B pharmacy has been accredited by NBA, and institute is NAAC accredited with a CGPA of 3.23 A grade. NIT Engineering Institute ranked in the band of 201 to 250, and Institute of Pharmacy ranked under 50 in NIRF 2020, one of the prestigious ranking by MHRD. Also, Institute has received gold ranking from QS iGauge ranking. Institute is ranked in top 50 institute by Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievements. We are really thankful to AICTE for providing the opportunity to organize the FDP under AICTE Training and Learning Academy, that is Atal Academy. Atal Academy is mainly focusing on emerging technologies such as AI, IoT, blockchain, robotics, quantum computing, data science, cybersecurity, 3D printing and design, augmented reality and virtual reality. Under Atal Academy, NIT is organizing the second FDP. Earlier under the same scheme, we have organized FDP on additive manufacturing. In recent decade, entire world have undergone the digital revolution. Technology is changing very rapidly, and over the past few years, you may be heard that the term blockchain technology, probably regarding cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Blockchain and Bitcoin can be used interchangeably by the people, but in reality, that is not the case. Blockchain is the technology capable of supporting various applications related to multiple industry like finance, supply chain, manufacturing, etc. And Bitcoin is a currency that relies on blockchain technology to be secure. So blockchain is the technology which avoids long process and facilitates the faster movement of transactions, thereby saving both time and money. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate Dr. Kumud Saxena, coordinator of the FDP and Department of IT for organizing this FDP. And I take the opportunity to thank Dr. Anil Sahasrabuddhe sir, Chairman AICTE, Dr. MP Punia, Vice Chairman AICTE, and Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, Director Atal Academics, for providing the opportunity to organize this FDP. Through this FDP, all the participants will get very good opportunity to learn this technology from various experts. Thank you. All the best for all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your nice words of welcome. I would now request Program Coordinator Dr. Kumud Saxena, Associate Professor and Head IT Department, NIET, a humble yet dynamic and energetic personality, for sharing the briefs about the prolific FDP on blockchain technology and applications. Please, ma'am.
Namaskar, everyone. Namaskar, everyone. I welcome you all on this platform. Our chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor Mohanlal Sukhadiya University, Udaipur. Our guest of honor, Bhanu Pratap Singh sir, Vice Chancellor MUIT Lucknow. Our EVP sir, Shri Raman Batra ji. Our Director General sir, Shri Praveen Suneja ji. Our Director sir, Dr. Vinod M. Kapse sir. All heads of the department, faculty members, all participants. I'm thankful to you all to join this FDP sponsored by Atal Academy. We are thankful to AICTE for giving us this honor to conduct this FDP on blockchain technology and applications. As we all know, this technology, blockchain technology, is one of the demanding requirements of today's world. Everywhere in market where we talk about the database, data set, we have the concept of blockchain, where we can connect security, we can connect the transactions, and we can have the concept of working with it. So considering that concept, we thought, why not to start making people understand the concept of blockchain. So we have tried to cover up the maximum topics in blockchain where people can understand. Like, I would like to welcome our technical speaker for today's session, Dr. Neha Sharma ma'am. She is founder secretary of Society for Data Science. She'll be telling us about the unblock the blockchain. That is how we are going to understand the blockchain. So in this area, we have few more speakers from industry, from well-known academics who are going to discuss about the blockchain fundamentals, about cryptocurrencies, blockchain in IoT, as well as the application areas and the current state of this blockchain technology. So we have tried to cover the maximum part of this blockchain. I would like to welcome our Director, Projects and Planning, Dr. Praveen Pachuri, sir, who has always helped us a lot and has been a support to us to guide us and made our event a successful one. So I welcome you all to attend this FDP and hope that we'll be able to fulfill your requirements that you all expect from us from this FDP. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable insights about the event. Moving ahead, I would now request Honorable Shri Praveen Soneja ji, Director General NIET, to enlighten us with your words of wisdom. Sir.
Good morning and namaskar. At the outset, I would like to thank Dr. America Singh and Dr. Bhanu Pratap Singh for being with us at this inaugural function. Sir, it is presence like personalities like you which really inspires us to look at these things and do better every time. We heartily thank you for gracing this occasion. As far as the subject is concerned, I would also like to thank the organizers and AICT for picking up such a relevant subject. With this world where the boundaries are shrinking and transactions are exponentially increasing, obviously the speed, flexibility, security, transparency, all these things become the need of the hour. And I'm very thankful for picking up such a relevant subject and wish all the participants and guests that they would take the maximum benefit over the next 5 days. Thank you all for joining this. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating and positive words. We are privileged to have your mentorship with us. We are honored and privileged to have guest of honor for the event, Dr. Bhanu Pratap Singh, Vice Chancellor, Maharishi University of Information Technology, Lucknow, UP. Sir studied BTech from HBDI Kanpur in Mechanical Engineering, MTech from UPTU Lucknow in Mechanical Engineering, and PhD from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun. Sir has various publications in his name. Sir has handled various posts from manager to associate professor, director, MIET. Currently, he is heading the university with overall academic and non-academic manpower, guiding and mentoring the faculty and staff for holistic development of the university, analyzing and developing policies for academia, and his problem solving for student issues and complaints. So we are truly blessed to have you with us, and I would request you to kindly share your words and thoughts with us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. ये मेरे लिए बहुत सुखद टाइम है कि मैं अपने लोगों के बीच में फिर एक बार एज ए गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर यहाँ पर सब लोगों के साथ हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने बत्रा सर के साथ, पचौरी सर के साथ NIT में काम किया है और बहुत कम छोटा स्पैन था और काफ़ी फैकल्टी मेंबर्स भी यहाँ पर जो आज हैं वो भी कुलीग रहे हैं, हो सकता है कुछ यहाँ से चले गए होंगे, बट उसके बावजूद भी जो मैंने कल्चर, जो सिस्टम और जो चीज़ों को टाइमली अपग्रेडेशन और NIT में देखा है वो बहुत कम इंस्टीट्यूशंस में है, और ये सब हायर लेवल से ही चीज़ें प्रोसीड करती हैं और बहुत अच्छा सिस्टम है। और उसके रेस्पेक्टिवली जितने भी फैकल्टी मेंबर्स यहाँ पर अटैच्ड हैं इस फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम को यहाँ पर ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं फॉर देयर डेवलपमेंट, वहाँ पर मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा कि देखिए फैकल्टी मेंबर्स कोई भी किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूशंस में जहाँ पर भी जुड़ा हुआ है वहाँ इट इज नॉट ए इंडस्ट्री, ये एक इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, यहाँ पर एक आप समाज का डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं। और दूसरी सबसे बड़ी बात है कि दूसरे के बच्चे के लिए आप डेडिकेटेड हैं। अपने बच्चे के लिए तो सभी डेडिकेटेड होते हैं, बट उसके पार्ट पर जो सबसे बड़ी बात है कि आप दूसरे के बच्चे के लिए अपना सब कुछ लगा रहे हैं, तो इससे बड़ा कोई नोबल काम हो नहीं सकता। तो इस वजह से जरूरी है कि वहाँ पर आप बहुत चीज़ों को अच्छे से करें। और एक मैंने एक बहुत छोटा सा 4C मॉडल इसी पार्ट पर देखा है, जिसमें मैं वो आप लोगों के साथ भी शेयर करना चाहूँगा, चाहे वो ऑफलाइन मोड हो चाहे आपका ऑनलाइन मोड हो, बट इन दैट पार्ट जो भी आप कंडक्ट ऑफ क्लासेज है 4C मॉडल में फर्स्ट पार्ट है दैट इज द कंडक्ट ऑफ क्लासेज। जो भी आप क्लासेस को कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल थॉरोली होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि कोई भी स्टूडेंट जो भी क्लास को ज्वाइन करना चाहेगा जो रिलेवेंट मटेरियल उसको एक्स्ट्रा नहीं मिलेगा विद रेस्पेक्ट टू जो भी उसको बुक्स के रिलेवेंट में हो, चाहे गूगल से सर्च करने के बाद वो मटेरियल आपका नेट पर अवेलेबल हो, यदि आप उससे एक्स्ट्रा देंगे तो बच्चा आपसे अटैच होगा। यदि आप वो मटेरियल्स नहीं देंगे, वो डिलीवरी नहीं देंगे, तो बच्चा आपकी क्लासेस में आपसे अटैच नहीं होगा। दूसरा है क्रिएशन ऑफ कंटेंट्स। वो कंटेंट्स जो भी आप क्रिएट कर रहे हैं वो उसके लिए आप टाइम दें, क्योंकि वो कंटेंट्स यदि आप एज इट इज कॉपी कर बच्चों के सामने रखेंगे तो वो एटलीस्ट पहले से ही अवेलेबल है, उस पार्ट पर वो फिर बच्चा आपसे कनेक्ट नहीं होगा। और तीसरी सबसे बड़ी बात है कनेक्ट विद द स्टूडेंट्स। यदि आप ये सब दोनों पार्ट बहुत अच्छे से हर एक फैकल्टी मेंबर्स कर रहा है तो ऑटोमेटिकली स्टूडेंट आपसे कनेक्ट होगा, आपकी क्लासेस को भी अटेंड करेगा, क्योंकि जनरली प्रॉब्लम अभी तक रही है और जनरली चलती रहती है कि बच्चा साहब क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करता है, उसको हमने फोर्सफुली क्लास को अटेंड करने के लिए आना होता है, क्योंकि बच्चा स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो काफी शार्प होता है, उसको लगता है कि मेरे को यदि कोई कंटेंट्स, यदि कोई भी मेरे को डिलीवरी वहां पर इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर उस लेवल की मिलेगी जो मेरे को ऑलरेडी मेरे को सर्च करने में नहीं मिल रही है, तो वो नेचुरली आपके पास आपसे कनेक्ट भी होगा, आपकी क्लासेस भी अटेंड करेगा। और उसको करने के लिए जितना भी कंटेंट हम बना रहे हैं उसका असेसमेंट जो है ई बुक और ई लाइब्रेरी के रेस्पेक्टिवली भी हम लोग को करते रहना चाहिए। तो जो ये 4C मॉडल है, कंडक्ट ऑफ क्लासेज है, क्रिएशन ऑफ कंटेंट है, कनेक्ट विद स्टूडेंट है, कंटेंट असेसमेंट बाय ई बुक एंड ई लाइब्रेरी है। यदि कोई भी आपका मोड को आप यदि इसमें बहुत अच्छे से अपना टाइम डिलीवर कर अपना टाइम यहाँ पर यूटिलाइज कर और ये कंटेंट को आप प्रिपेयर करेंगे और इस मॉडल्स पे काम करेंगे तो नेचुरली जो है बच्चा आपके साथ अटैच्ड होगा, आपका भी ग्रोथ होगा, स्टूडेंट का भी ग्रोथ होगा और उसके रेस्पेक्टिवली नेचुरली जो भी आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो भी ग्रोथ करेगा। क्योंकि हर एक पार्ट पर बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि ये कनेक्टिविटी यदि स्टूडेंट से हमारी नहीं है तो फिर वो चीजें बहुत गैप हो जाता है और उस गैप वाले पार्ट को हम लोगों ने मिनिमाइज करना है अपना डेडिकेशन के साथ। उसके लिए काफी यहाँ पर एनआईटी में स्कीम्स चलती रहती हैं, बट उसके रेस्पेक्ट में कुछ मेरे को स्कीम्स नजर आती हैं जो मैं यहाँ पर सीनियर लेवल से भी रिक्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ, हो सकता है ऑलरेडी चल रही हो, जैसे कि कर्मयोगी स्कीम है, वहाँ पर अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्टूडेंट टू अर्न विद स्पेसिफिक स्किल, कि कोई स्पेसिफिक स्किल यदि हमारे को अपने स्टूडेंट्स के अंदर नजर आती है तो उस कर्मयोगी स्कीम को भी हम अपने यहाँ पर स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं एनआईटी लेवल पर। क्योंकि एनआईटी जो एक इंस्टीट्यूशंस है वो एनसीआर में और यूपी लेवल पर अपना एक लेवल रखता है, और यहाँ पर यदि हम मार्केट के रेस्पेक्टिवली जो भी चल रहा है उसके रेस्पेक्ट में यदि हम अपने आप को अपग्रेड नहीं करेंगे छोटी छोटी चीजों से तो वो भी एक मैटर करता है। तो इस वजह से जरूरी है कि उन चीजों का भी हम ध्यान रखें। दूसरा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट स्कीम भी है। आज की डेट में काफी यहाँ पर एंटरप्रेन्योर डेवलपमेंट के रेस्पेक्ट में काफी सारी चीजें चल रही हैं, गवर्नमेंट भी सपोर्ट कर रही है इनोवेशंस के रेस्पेक्ट में, स्टार्टअप के रेस्पेक्ट में। तो वो पार्ट भी जरूरी है कि यदि हम स्कीम ये इस टाइप से अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन लेवल पर भी स्टार्ट करेंगे तो नेचुरली हमारा बच्चे को बेनिफिट होगा, सोसाइटी को बेनिफिट होगा, और उसके रेस्पेक्ट में जो भी उसके गाइडेंस मेंटर होंगे, फैकल्टी मेंबर्स होंगे, उनको भी उस पार्ट पर आगे काम करने के लिए मौका मिलेगा। तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जिससे हम अपने आप में सब लोगों को, स्टूडेंट को कनेक्ट करेंगे, उनके गार्जियन को कनेक्ट करेंगे तो नेचुरली ये सब इफेक्ट आएगा, उसका कुछ ना कुछ आउटपुट मिलता है। तो इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपने आप को यहाँ पर रोकना चाहूँगा और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इस टाइप से ही एनआईटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बहुत अच्छे से ग्रोथ करता रहे, और जो है पचौरी सर है और यहाँ पर बत्रा सर है, इन सब लोगों की गाइडेंस में जो है उन्नति करे। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable suggestions about various schemes and academia. We will surely incorporate them, and we hope that we refreshed your NIT memories with us. Thank you, sir. I would now take the opportunity to invite Shri Raman Batra, EVP NIET, a vibrant and dynamic personality whose supervision and uniqueness has taken NIET a miles ahead onto the road of success. So thank you, sir, and we welcome you for your kind words.
very good morning to all. Professor Amrik Singh, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Bhanu Pratap Singh Sahab, Dr. Neha Sharma, who is the speaker of the day, Director General, Director, Head of Department, IT, Kumud, Head of Department, CS, Dr. Yadav, all the faculty members who have joined today's FDP. So today FDP topic is very close to my heart towards blockchain technology, because I always believe that financial institutions are the place which will lead the world, and blockchain technology is one of the technology which is spearheading financial arena. As our director Dr. Kapse talked about what is blockchain and how it's going to be, I like to share that one of the blockchain example is cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. So if you can imagine, one Bitcoin today cost you somewhere around $31,000. So that kind of revolutionized structure blockchain technology has given in a very secured environment. In very coming years, the country like India, which is hugely populated and has n number of government departments, all government departments are likely to shift over blockchain technology. So my request to all, both our chief guests and guest of honor, who are renowned personality in the arena of education, that it's a time where all educational institutes need to get together, need to have a collaboration and start working together in the area of research, entrepreneurship and development. As rightly mentioned by Dr. Bhanu Pratap Singh, that it's very, very important today that we need to change, and change is only constant. So one of the appeal I want to do it to the chief guest and guest of honor, that NIT is looking forward for collaboration, that as we have recently become autonomous. So once we collaborate, our faculties can join together in different research projects, in different training projects, and we can create new milestones for this country. This country is known for IT, information technology, and maximum work all over the world over technology is being done through India. And educational institute like us have a very big responsibility to take this ahead, because we are creating manpower for 21st century. So these manpower who are getting created by our faculty members at each and every institution, it's very important for them to actually teach them which is required by today's world. So once we have this kind of a collaboration, more FDPs, more conferences, more patents, more research papers, a lot of association mutually benefited can be organized, and we can take not only the state, this country very, very ahead. So at last, I like to congratulate Head of Department IT and the complete IT faculty to arrange a wonderful event. And we have a wonderful speaker also today with us, Dr. Neha, who has been associated with us since very long now, and very renowned personality into data science and blockchain. So at last, I like to thank the chief guest and the guest of honor for taking out valuable time and gracing this event. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir, for showering your cognizance and kind words and the insightful examples about the blockchain. Thank you so much. Today, we are truly blessed and honored to have with us diligent personality, our chief guest, Dr. America Singh, Vice Chancellor, Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur, Rajasthan. Sir served as Professor of Chemistry for more than 12 years, last posting at Institute of Engineering and Technology, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, UP. Sir has qualitative and quantitative academic contributions to his name, with teaching experience of 32 years, 100 research papers, 3 own books, and 25 PhD supervised degrees to his credit. Sir experienced multiple designations like HOD, Dean Student Welfare, Chief Proctor, Chief Warden, is member of UP Pollution Control Board, established MTech Biotechnology in year 1992 as coordinator, and has experience as member of Executive Council, Academic Council, and Admission and Result Committee. Sir is awardee of Darberry Memorial Fellowship, awardee of Lakshman Memorial Fellowship, and Canadian Research Paper as Senior Research Fellow. We thank you, sir, for being part of this event. It is our absolute pleasure to have you with us today. I humbly request you to kindly enlighten us with your words. Sir. We are trying to connect, sir. Due to technicalities, he is not able to connect. So sorry, we received a call from sir. He's not able to connect. So we'll be moving forward. We'll be moving forward with the vote of thanks. I would now request Professor Praveen Pachauri, Director, Project and Planning, to address us all with the vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Thank you, Aditi. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir, it is audible.
Good morning, all of you. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir, it is perfectly audible.
Thank you, madam. It's indeed a great pleasure for me to present the vote of thanks for this great event. I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Guest of the day. Though due to some technical problem, he is not able to join with us, but I certainly believe that his blessings are always with us. Dr. Amrika Singh has always been associated with NIT as a mentor for the past decade, and surely his blessings are always with us. It is very unfortunate that he was in travel, so due to some technical problem, he is not able to bless us with his words right now. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Bhanu Pratap Singh for his valuable time and the inspiring words which he has given for the faculty members. Certainly, I hope that the faculty members will follow the guidelines which you have suggested with your great experience. And this blockchain technology is certainly going to inspire them how to connect with the things. Indeed, it's a great honor for NIT to get blessed from AICT with this FDP program with the efforts of our respected Dr. Kumud Saxena, the head of the department. She has taken a lot of pain and sincere efforts in conducting this FDP. On behalf of NIT fraternity, I express my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chairman of AICT, Dr. Anil Sahasrabudhe sir, who has always been kind enough to bless us with these FDPs. I take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Vice Chancellor of AKTU, Professor Vinay Pathak, who has always been kind enough to share his blessings on NIT. It's indeed a great effort at the part of the management of NIT. So on behalf of all faculty fraternity, we express our heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Dr. Upi Agarwal sir, our Managing Director, Honorable Dr. Sarojini Agarwal Madam, our Chairperson, Honorable Dr. Nima Agarwal, our Additional Managing Director, and Honorable Shri Raman Batra sir, our Executive Vice President. It is the leadership of NIT which is consistently inspiring all the faculty members to go far ahead. I take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to Shri Praveen Soneja sir, the Managing Director of the Institute, and Dr. Vinod M. Kapse, Director of the Institute, who are consistently providing great thrust to all of us to go ahead. On this occasion, I also express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Neha Sharma, the speaker for the today, to be the part of this event and inspiring all the participating faculty members. Last but not least, I would take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the faculty members who are associated in the organization of this FTP program. I wish a great success and hope that all the faculty members from different corners of the country, they will be benefited with this FTP. And certainly, this blockchain technology is going to change the scenario for the nation tomorrow. And we are expecting that the fruits of this technology, as Raman sir said, they are going to be in all dimensions. So with these words, I believe that we are going to witness a great event tomorrow. Thank you. Wish you all good luck.
Thank you, sir, so much for summarizing it in an intricate manner. I once again thanks Chief Guest of the event, Professor America Singh, Guest of Honor, Dr. Bhanu Pratap Singh, Technical Speaker, Dr. Neha Sharma, for gracing the event. And thank you once again, everyone, for your precious time with us. I'm pleased to declare the FDP on blockchain technology and applications open. I hope you all will be overloaded with knowledge and will learn a lot, certainly. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much for joining with us and having your time with us. Thank you.